In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unarchive ghost post on Threads. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you had published a ghost post and you wish to unarchive it, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. First, if you go to your profile icon here, and you can see on top here, we no longer have the ghost post that you had published. To find your ghost post that you had archived, first you'll need to find the archive page. To do that, just go to three lines here, and here go to archive under settings, and you should see we have your posts that are archived. Remember, under archive page, it's only you who can see all archived posts. So my archived post, and this was a ghost post, is here. Tap on it, and to unarchive, once you have opened it, you should see these three dots. If you tap on them, now you have an option to unarchive. If I tap on archive, this will restore the post. So that's how you can unarchive ghost posts on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.